Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing background work that steals CPU and RAM. First, quit heavy apps and browser tabs. This frees resources immediately. Once done, connect via Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi to cut packet delay. Next, lower your capture resolution to 720p or 1080p and set 30 frames per second to reduce encoding demand. These steps directly reduce processing latency and network jitter, so you'll see frame timings stabilize before moving to encoder settings. You now optimize how video is encoded and sent. Switch to a hardware encoder like NVENC or QuickSync so the GPU handles compression, which reduces CPU spikes. Then adjust bitrate. Aim for 3 to 5 Mbps for 720p or 5 to 8 Mbps for 1080p so your network keeps up. Once set, enable any low latency mode or choose a faster encoder preset. This trades some efficiency for responsiveness. Make sure to restart the encoder after changes so new settings take effect. Finish by validating performance with a short test recording while watching CPU, GPU, and dropped frame counters. If you see drops, update your GPU drivers and screencast app, then reboot to clear resource locks. Once restarted, rerun the test. Make incremental changes like reducing FPS to 24 or enabling a wired capture device if necessary. If problems remain, isolate by testing another machine or network. This process narrows the cause so you can recover smooth playback quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.